No.
Oh no! What's up guys, Brett here, brettdev.com, back at you with another Chiang Mai travel video. And today we've come out to a place called Siam Insect Zoo. So this place has loads of like weird bugs and stuff that are native to Thailand, and I keep seeing it as I drive past, and I've been wanting to check it out for a while, so I thought I'd come in here and I thought I'd film it as well so you guys can see. This is located up in Mae Rim. Mae Rim is like about 30 minutes outside of Chiang Mai, and it's where all of the tourist attractions are. So when you come to Chiang Mai and you go to like a tourist booking place for tours, they will bring you up around this area. This has the Tiger Temple, this Insect Museum, it has a bungee jump, which I did here before, there's a link up there, and a bunch of other stuff up and around here. So anyway, let's go in and I'll see what's inside. What a great view, eh? So this up here is the, as you turn off, you turn left to come up to Mae Rim, and this is just another turn. You'll see the signs as you come up. $400 baht. 200 baht each. Welcome to the world of amazing insects. Yeah. Alright, I just know there's going to be all sorts of spiders and shit in here, which I'm not a fan of. I've seen something like that buzzing around my house. Okay guys, let me show you some scale for these things. Look. Fucking huge. Okay, so far everything's been dead and in a box. Or maybe not. These are dead, right? Scorpions. Wow, look at that. That is proper camouflage, right? Fun. Wow. That is a bug that looks exactly like a stick. So each one becomes the butterfly there, right? This one's living off of M150. Spiders.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Look at this. Oh, I can't even go near the cage. The tank. Shit. But Goliath birdie in spider. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
shit. Whoa, look at this.
อ๋อโอเคมีอร่อยมาก
You eat this one, yeah?
อ่า
Dead, man. This one dead.
Oh, this is อร่อยมาก
Aloe mac. If you don't know what aloe mac means, that means very delicious.
มีใบที่สวยไหม
Cockroach. Wow, now that is nasty, right? Damn. You don't need to come to a museum to see these if you're in Thailand, guys. You can just,
แฮมบิก
you'll see these anyway. Coming up out of your sink. Wow, so this is like a, what is this? A hornet's nest. Man, you do not want one of those to drop on your head out of a tree. Shit.
No.
Oh fucking hell! What the fuck?
You okay?
Oh my god, what the, oh you, fuck you. Yeah, not funny. Fucking hell. Shit. Put a spider next to my head. Okay, they have like a fancy little orchard here as well, so let's go and have a look. Oh, careful. I guess these are like cocoon butterflies, right? Butterflies are weird as shit. Like the only species one of the only species in the world that dissolves its body and re-emerges as a different entity entirely, right? Okay, now we're in an area full of stick insects. Stick insects have always freaked me out, always. That's not very good. Probably escaped. Pond, snake. Didn't work. Wow.
That one, the stick insect, they're from Australia.
Australia?
Yeah.
Wow. This looks exactly like a leaf, right? Okay, I'm facing my fears today. Almost 4. Come on. Hey. Giant red centipede. I've actually seen these in Thailand just walking around. Like I saw one at my old condo outside. Apparently if they bite you, it is one painful bite.
ก้าวเขาแบบบางเลยค่ะกินของทำไม
หรือว่ามันจะทำร้ายเฉพาะ
ถ้ามันรู้สึกตกใจ
ดูใกล้ๆดูใกล้ๆดู
มาดูใกล้ๆได้ไม่ต้องจับก็ได้มาดูใกล้ๆได้หรอดูใกล้ๆได้
ใกล้ๆลองดัน
มี2 ดีจะเห็นแสง เห็นไหมดูบอกสีสีอะไรสีกระดาษหรือเปล่า
นี่คือตัวสีตัว
เราได้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, iguana. Oh my god.
ได้ไหม
Good.
컬러.
He looks really, really pissed.
The color. Eating banana.
Oh, they eat bananas, right?
Yes.
Ah.
Cannot see the
Ah. Oh, okay. It's sleep, yeah?
Yes, in the hiding.
Ah, so it's hibernating. What it was. Okay, so I've seen this before, where I've seen these being sold at the side of the road, and this is what it says. Look, some local people are crazy for searching for large-sized adults. They will take care of them well, feed them with peeled sugarcane stem, train them to be more aggressive for the fight. Sometimes visitors to Chiang Mai may be surprised to see fighting beetles tightened by a piece of rope on its prophylactic horn and connected to a peeled stem of sugarcane. This is for sale on some roadsides during mating season. So Thai people get the beetles and make them fight, basically. And yes, in Thailand you can eat bugs. And this is the macro breakdown. How much carbs, sugars and fats are in your beetles and crickets. Edible insects. Large cricket, small worm, locust. Egg. What a lovely map of bugs. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, guys. It's Siam Insect Museum in Mae Rim, Chiang Mai. Link in the description below so you can find a map so if you want to come here. It's pretty small, it took only about half an hour to go around. It's 200 baht to get in. It's something you can actually check out as you're heading towards Mae Rim if you're going somewhere else in Mae Rim. So maybe you're going to do a bungee jump like I did before, or maybe doing something else over here. But like I said, this is where Tiger Temple is, this is where all of the tourist attractions are. So when you go into the old city and you book a tour, they pick you up from your hotel, they usually bring you out here. If you keep going up, they've got elephant parks and all sorts of stuff over here. So this is where everything is, Mae Rim. And this is Siam Insect Zoo. So you've got a good coffee shop, we're just gonna grab a coffee. And until next time, guys, this is Brett from brettdev.com and we're out. Peace.